Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, today we'll be unboxing 101's 2B1 album, and I only got the Sky version, so for now my pink version hasn't come yet, so when it does I will have it. I'll unbox that also and I will let you guys see. So yeah, this video will be just the Sky version first, so yeah, let's get on with unboxing. And yeah, I've already removed the plastic for so that the video is shorter. So yeah. So as you can see, there is 7 tracks here. So for Nayena's 101 version and Never 101's version is only for CD only. So yeah. It's quite steady, and there's plastic. So for the cover, I got Minhyun. The sleeve is also Minhyun. For I got Seungwoo, Ong Seungwoo. The group photo card. The golden ticket. This is the flip book. I believe it starts this way. And then this is the track with the lyrics. This is the photo book. So but I'll let you guys see the CD first. So for the photo book, Daniel, Jihoon, Taehyung, Jaehwan, Seungwoo, Woojin, Kwanmin, Jisung, Minhyun, Jinyoung, Sungwoon, group pic. So I'm gonna flip it around. So this is the pink side. So actually I'm gonna guess that the pink you get is actually the same for the book. Actually everyone gets the same for the book, except the difference is that the cover and the photo cards and all, it's just the blue version, which is the burn it up version. This one is the energetic version, which is like the cutesy cute what version. So yeah, this is like the details and all, and yeah, so that's all for the photo book. So yeah, that's all for 101's 2B1 album Sky version unboxing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye.